Hello everyone. I, Dr. Meghna Dubey, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today, I will discuss about enzyme. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up the rate of biochemical reaction. Most enzymes are three-dimensional globular proteins, tertiary and quaternary structure. Some, some special RNA species also act as enzymes and are called ribozymes. Structure of enzymes. The active site of enzyme is the region that binds substrate, cofactors, and prosthetic group and contains residue that helps to hold the substrate. Active sites generally occupy less than 5% of the total surface area of enzyme. Active site has specific shape due to tertiary structure of protein. A change in shape of protein affects the shape of active site and function of enzyme. Active site can be further divided: binding sites and catalytic site. Binding site, it chooses the substrate and binds it to active site. Catalytic site, it performs the catalytic action of enzyme. Cofactors. Cofactor is the non-protein molecules which carries out chemical reactions that cannot be performed by standard 20 amino acid. Cofactors are of two types: organic cofactors, inorganic cofactors. Inorganic cofactors, these are the inorganic molecules required for the proper activity of enzyme. Organic cofactors, these are the organic molecules required for the proper activity of enzyme. Types of organic cofactors: prosthetic group and coenzyme. A prosthetic group is a tightly bound organic cofactor, that is flamines, heme group and biotin. Coenzyme is a loosely bound organic cofactor, that is NAD+. Types of cofactors. An enzyme with its cofactor removed is designed as apoenzyme. The complete complex of protein with all necessary small organic molecules, metal ions, and other components is termed as holoenzymes of holoprotein. Substrate. The reactant in biochemical reaction is termed as substrate. When substrate binds to an enzyme, it forms an enzyme substrate complex. Sites of enzyme synthesis. Enzymes are synthesized by ribosomes, which are attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Information for the synthesis of enzyme is carried by DNA. Amino acids are bonded together to form a specific enzyme according to the DNA codes. Intracellular and extracellular enzyme. Intracellular enzymes are synthesized and retained in the cell for the use of cell itself. They are found in cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast. For example, oxidoreductase catalyzes biological oxidation. Enzyme involved in reduction in the mitochondria. Extracellular enzymes are synthesized in the cell but secreted from the cell to work externally. For example, digestive enzymes produced by the pancreas are not used by the cells in the pancreas but are transported to the duodenum. Characteristics of enzyme. Enzymes speed up the reactions by the lowering the activation energy of reaction. Their presence does not affect the nature and the property of end product. They are highly specific in their action. That is, each enzyme can catalyze one kind of substrate. A small amount of enzymes can accelerate chemical reaction. Enzymes are sensitive to change in pH, temperature, and substrate concentration. Turnover number is defined as the number of substrate molecules transformed per minute by one enzyme molecule. Catalase turnover number is 6 into 106 upon minute. Nomenclature of enzyme. An enzyme is named according to the name of substrate it catalyzes. Some enzymes were named before a systematic way of naming enzyme was formed. Example, pepsin, trypsin, and rennin by adding suffix ASEAs at the end of the name of the substrate, enzymes are named. Enzyme for catalyzing the hydrolysis is termed as hydrolase. Example, maltose plus water, the presence of maltase form glucose plus glucose. Some examples of enzyme, substrate, enzymes and product, lactase, enzyme lactase, glucose plus galactose, maltose, maltase, glucose, cellulose, enzyme cellulase, products glucose, substrate lipid, enzymes lipase, product glycerol plus fatty acid, substrate starch, enzymes amylase, products maltose, substrate protein, enzyme protease, products peptides and polypeptide.